alive. Can't doubt Roman Reigns, but there isn't a person alive who has lust.
And great balls of fire. If you didn't
said Brock Lesnar promised to stack Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose on top of each other.
And now it's Dean Ambrose attacking the Beast from behind, and Lesnar just shoves him down again. And now Lesnar with a running quarry. And a suplex to Reigns. He's showing no fear to trying to determine of his own. Not wise.
You're right, I can't doubt Roman Reigns, but there isn't a person alive.
You get Braun Strowman in the back of the ambulance. Roman.
You're right, I can't doubt Roman Reigns, but there isn't a person alive who has lust.
How do you get Braun Strowman in the back of the ambulance? Roman at 385 pounds.
If there's a way to do it, Roman, ambulances weren't built for people that big.
to tell you something, Seth Rollins and this man right here, Braun Strowman, was in his life. So scary in itself.
These two men have been at each other title opportunities. They've sent each other to the hospital. Inside. It comes down to...
I can remember seeing in quite some time. These two men detest one another.
This man's mind.
A good majority.
The top rope with that sparking of the corner. And I'm a lunatic for Dean Ambrose. We witnessed a few of these type of matches and the size of the two men involved here tonight and what they put each other.
Looked at him.
And here we go. Roman looking to use his quickness. Oh, back right hand catches Braun early. And now Braun thing goes here in Dallas.
Took the words right out of my mouth, and Roman Reigns.
They've seen their fights, their brawls here over the years. But
Speed!
Wow!
My God!
I'll tell you, the thing is, Braun Strowman want to be the opening for Roman. Roman, if he pace himself, guys.
The heart of Reigns.
Reigns would not be here tonight at Great Balls of Fire if you didn't think he...
instead of the post. You saw Roman favoring the ribs, beeps in hand. Braun Strowman drives them right into Reigns. And Roman's. And he is turning the big dog into a puppy so far.
One hand.
And now forced into the steps. A good thing Roman ducked out of the way. Raging Braun Strowman.
And Roman's the way to do it. Roman
The fire if you didn't...
built for people that big.
I'll tell you something. Seth Rollins and this man right here, Braun Strowman, was in his absence. So scary in itself.
These two men have been at each other title opportunities. They've sent each other to the hospital. Inside.
It comes down to... I can remember seeing in quite some time. These two men detest one another.
This man's mind.
A good
Witnessed a few of these type of matches and the size of the two men involved here tonight and what they put each other.
Looked at him.
And here we go. Roman looking to use his quickness. Oh, back right hand. Their brawls here over the years. But
Speed!
Wow!
My God!
I'll tell you, the thing is, Roman, if he pace himself, guys.
The heart of Reigns.
driving the wind out of Roman.
This man right here, Braun Strowman, throw everything at Roman Reigns. But
Shoulder first.
Roman Reigns would not be here tonight at Great Balls of Fire if he didn't think he...
Instead of the post. You saw Roman favoring the ribs, beeps in hand. But
Braun
doing something
Strowman
fast, and that could help him.
Might be the only one, Booker.
And he is turning the big dog into a puppy so far.
One hand.
It's a good thing Roman ducked out of the way. Raging Braun Strowman.
Definitely going to have to keep
and Roman's not going to give up as he delivered the kick, and now the right hand of Braun. Braun still on his feet. Everything he can to try to knock Strowman off his feet.
Strowman still stands.
And to drag that 385-pound carcass to the ambulance.
Oh, look at this. Once again, right out of midair.
Still early in this contest, guys, and right now,
Roman Reigns is an extraordinary,
disgusting display of power. Nice move by Roman Reigns.
it's that little walk right there, guys.
Yeah,
That little walk. That was strategy.
To the ring. Once again, stalking Roman Reigns, who slips out of the way.
guys, be careful here.
The fire.
This is